Hey devs, be kind here and welcome back to another Roblox Studio tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to make your own round system in your own Roblox games, like your own minigame system. So, the minigame system, or the round system, whatever you want to call it, will load a random map every time intermission is over, and then it'll teleport all players into the map. So, without further ado, let's get started. So first, we're going to insert a screen GUI. And inside that screen GUI, we're going to put a text label. And the text label will have the X fill up the entire X side of the screen, like the entire horizontal part of the screen, but not the entire vertical, as it's going to be too large. We're going to use we'll use this font here, Gotham Black. And the label up there will show all the text like intermission, the map is, teleporting players, and map will end, and then the winner. But if there is a winner, but this tutorial we won't do winner, so it's just gonna say map is over in this tutorial. You're gonna have, if you want to do a winner, sorry, it's my water bottle, but if you want to do a winner label, then I'm sorry, you're gonna have to script it yourself. But yeah, so we're going to insert a local script in the screen GUI, and we're gonna have a while wait command here, and then we're gonna make it so that the text will show whatever the statement value is being said, which is a string value. So reminder, it has to be a string value. If it's like an other value, then it's not going to be accurate enough. So we'll have another script in the server script service that'll be just a regular script, not a local script. And then we're going to do for I equals 10, 1, -1, do. And then we're going to set a default intermission. So local default intermission equals 20, and we're going to set to the default intermission, and then we're going to have the statement value be, we're going to use a toString so that we make sure it doesn't say attempt to concentrate an integer with a string, or we don't want it to error, so we're going to use toString just in case if it errors. So we're going to intermission I, then we'll have a wait 1 second, 1 second wait. So then there we go, and then after intermission it'll pick a random map. So we're going to use an empty variable here, so and then random map equals math.random. We're gonna use the map module, so that way you'll also learn modules. If you never have learned module scripts yet, you'll likely learn them in this tutorial, because I'm gonna be creating a module script that will involve all maps in there. So we're going to have red, green, purple, and blue. And check, and that's accurate. So once we got that, we're going to do another variable that will require, or you can do game server script service, and then you can do map module, or you can do script parent map module. Whatever is fine to me. I will do game server script service and map module for my best way. And then there we go. So, and then we're gonna just say a local random map, and then random map equals map module, and then math.random1, and then the items in the map module, and then the statement value will show the map. The chosen map is, or I'm just gonna say the map is the map. Okay, I don't know what to say here. Sorry. And the map we will be playing is and then we're gonna be doing and then will be the random map value. So, and then statement teleporting players, and then we're gonna have a teleporting players, and then we're gonna use for IV in pairs game.players get children do. So then if v colon is a player, then so in case if there's an other value than a player, this is every player will have the player instance, so it will always be player instance. So that's why I suggest saying v is a player, so that will count accurately for players. So then v dot character colon move to, and then we're just gonna say local random spawn equals 0. We're just gonna do it like this. So, and we're gonna put it right into the function here. So random map and then a random spawn. So local, and then a random spawn equals math.random. We're going to use 1 to 6 because all the maps have spawns, but yeah. So it'll local total spawns local random. We're going to do a random map local random map. So then random map is, we'll just put it like this. So then total spawns equals 0. So it'll count the spawns. So we're gonna have a map workspace. So map workspace. So then that's where the map will go. So then game.lighting.maps maps colon find first child, and then it will be the random map dot parent equals game.workspace dot map workspace. So yeah, there we go. Now we're gonna do, so we still gotta get the random spawn here. So yeah, for IV in pairs. So then we're gonna get the map. Map equals game. So then we're just gonna say game for now, and then it's gonna change to the map. So then map.parent equals game.workspace.map workspace. So then there we go. So we're at maps, and then spawns. Map.spawns colon get children. If v colon is a part, then total spawns equals total spawns plus 1, and then there we go. So random spawn equals math.random 1.total spawns, and then map.spawns random spawn, and there we go. And then we'll move all of them into there. So we're also going to use a vector 3, so that we're going to also add a vector 3 by the y value of 5, so that way people don't accidentally glitch into the spawns. So yeah. length dot value. And then wait, map dot for I equals map dot length dot value equals 0, -1, 2. So then there you go. Whoopsies, whoopsie daisy. So then game.works is dot statement dot value equals time left I seconds. And then it'll show how much time left of the map, and then once it's all done, then it will statement dot value equals map over, then wait 2 seconds. So then map dot parent equals dot lighting dot map. So it'll place it back into the maps folder, and then map, and map equals game. So there we go. And we're gonna actually put it up there, so we don't have to worry about putting it down over here. So let's give it a test here. And so the intermission appears to work. So the intermission here appears to work. So it is counting down by seconds. And then it's going to choose a random map. The map we'll be playing is blue, and it's going to place in the map, and then it will teleport everybody. Dang it. I messed something up here. So, workspace. Root part. Position equals. There we go. So wait a minute. I think I meant to do something. Whoops. Move to maps. That position. Okay, I forgot to hit position. Sorry about that. Alright. Let's test now. Actually, I don't want to wait too long, so I'm going to temporarily set the default intermission to 5 seconds. So then there you go. Now the default intermission is 5, so that way we can test it quicker. Okay, it went down. Started to 3. So it's going to load the map green, and then now we've been teleported to the map. And I completed the obby, but for some reason in this actually not for some reason, but in this tutorial we're not doing a winner system, so it'll end the map, and then the map we will be playing is red, and then it'll teleport us there, and then time left. So there we go. Now we can go set the default intermission back to 20, and I'm actually going to add seconds to the label here, so that way, and then we're going to actually put a wait before we teleport all the players, so that the hint does say teleport players, just to make sure. So we can make sure it's showing, because I'm not sure if it actually showed or not, but we're just going to put it there just in case. And now we put the seconds there for the intermission. So let's wait for the intermission to go out. And the map we will be playing is purple. Now we'll teleport everybody. And then there we go, we're at purple. And then we're actually gonna make it so that it teleports all. So I'm gonna add on to the map, so that way it'll teleport all players to the spawn. So once again, if v colon is a player, whoopsies, is it a player, then we'll teleport the player. So game workspace dot vname move to game dot workspace dot spawn location dot position plus vector 3 dot new 0 dot whoopsies 50. And there you go. So now we're going to teleport all players back to the spawn when the map is over. So okay, well, let's give it a temporary intermission again. Go back to the temporary intermission of 5 seconds. So to make this quicker, so the map will start shortly. So the map we will be playing is blue. It'll teleport us all to the map. And then we got time to play the map until the time runs out. And when the time runs out, it'll teleport everybody back to the spawn point. And we got teleported back to spawn. That's awesome. So let's go and test multiplayer mode. Let's go test in the multiplayer window. Sorry, I'm a little thirsty here. That's why I had to take some water here. So we're going to be testing multiplayer now. Right. Come on, game. Okay, it's loading the map. Red, so currently still teleporting people, so something must be wrong, because we're going to set the default intermission to actually 30 this time. We're going to actually set the default intermission to 30 so that we get time to wait for all players to join. So come on, why is it so slow? Okay, well, anyways, I'm going to be right back. I gotta reopen the window. Alright, I am back now. Sorry for what just happened earlier. I thought the window was going to crash, but apparently it did not crash, which is good. So now we'll be going into multiplayer testing. And come on, studio window open. The windows start to be less responsive. Wait, is this okay? Alright, so they're both opening. Both windows are open, so why is this? So okay, we're down to the intermission of 12 seconds, so yeah. So the intermission is almost done. It'll be teleporting all players soon. So, and we've all been teleported here, so sorry guys, it's a little laggy. And then we all get teleported to the spawn. So there we go. Thanks for watching my tutorial. If you enjoyed this video, please give a thumbs up, write a friendly comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching this video, and I'll be seeing you into the next video. Peace.